Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to create a Facebook page event. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're gonna open the Facebook application. And once you've opened, the first thing that you'll do is to make sure that the account logged in or the account you're using is the pages. You can check that by tapping on the menu icon on the top right part of your screen, right below the messenger icon. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to this screen, and this is the menu. And on here, you can make sure that the account that you're using is your page. As for, you will see the profile picture of your page and the name of your page. And if it displays your personal account, all you have to do is to switch by tapping on the switch icon right beside the profile name and profile icon. And once you've made sure to create a Facebook page event, all you have to do is to go here in the menu, and all you have to do is scroll down for a little bit and look for the events shortcut. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to this screen, and you will see lists of events or lists of events that are created for you. But if you still haven't created one, you will see the same screen as for what I'm seeing, as for I still haven't created an event. And to create one, all you have to do is tap on the plus icon on the top right corner of your screen. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to the create an event screen. And on here, you can add photo, and you will be given the boxes in which you can type in the information. Just like for the first one, just type in the event name. For this video, I'll just write in sample. And right next to event name is the start date and time. You can set the time and date for when the event will be happening. You could also add end time if you'd like, but for this video I won't. And right next to add end time, you can indicate whether the event will be in person or virtual. All you have to do is to tap on it. Once you've tapped on it, if it's in person, you can type in or enter the location. Just select the location. But for the virtual, let's try and switch. You can choose whether it will be via Facebook Live, Messenger Rooms, external link, or other. Let's say for an example, I'll just tap on the Facebook Live, and once you've selected, all you have to do is tap on done, and as you can see, it is now indicated there. And you also need to enter the details. As you can see, the create event is not popping up or not clickable. As for every single box should be filled in. As you can see, once you've typed on it or you've input the details, the create event can now be clicked. But before you click that, you could also set the settings for the event. As for, you can market your event, tapping on it. And once you've tapped on it, you could choose whichever category your event belongs to, so that other people or other Facebook users could also see or be notified. Let's go ahead and tap on category to select one. And once you've tapped on it, you will be given the lists of category. All you have to do is to select the category that your event belongs to. Let's say it's dance, and tap on next. As you can see, there is an on word there right next to market your event. That indicates that you already input the category. Also, you can also add a co-host, tapping on it, and you could add the Facebook page admins. But if they're not an admin, you can add them as co-host. All you have to do is to select the name and tap on confirm. You could also edit the communication settings, tapping on it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be given two settings. You can turn on or off the only host can post setting. If that's turned on, only hosts can post, but if it's not, the other people can post. And for the second one, posts must be approved by a host. If you've turned off the only host can post and anyone can post, you could set the settings that you need to prove them before it will get posted. Once you're done, all you have to do is to go back. And once you're done with the editing, typing in the name, date and time, and etc., all you have to do is to tap on create event to create the event. Let's go ahead and tap it. All you have to do is to wait for it to load, and your event will be created. As you can see, you are now on the shared queue screen. You could share it to Facebook story, Instagram story, feed, copy link, messenger, and more. If you'd like to share, all you have to do is to tap one and you could share it there. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.